Hello people of YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be solving this thermochemistry problem about heat of reaction. So, look at this problem and read it with your brain. Ooh. So, after you've read it, you should see that this is very important. All the heat released by the reaction is then absorbed by the water. And what this means is that when this thing gets reacted and like the ethanol gets combusted, the heat that's released goes to the water and heats the water up from 20 Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and there's 250 grams of the water. So the important thing is that the heat needed to heat up the water is the same amount as the heat released from the reaction. That's what it's saying here, and it's really important to know this because these two are equal. So, to find out the heat that you need to heat up the water from 20 Celsius to 100 Celsius, you can use Q equals MCAT. And okay, so we have M and C delta T, and we're given all of that: 250 grams, 4.18, 20 Celsius to 100 Celsius. The change in temperature would be 80 Celsius. Okay, as you can see here, I put the numbers in, and the units cancel out nicely, leaving us with joules, and it would be 83,600 joules to heat up 250 grams of water from 20 Celsius to 100 Celsius. Okay, now we have this. It equals to the heat released from the reaction. So now we need to determine the moles of ethanol we need to combust to release this amount of heat. So from the balanced reaction, we can see that 1 mole of ethanol combustion releases this much, 1367 kilojoules of heat. And by kilo, it's 1,000 joules. That's how we did it. And so I multiplied this number by this, which came from delta H. And I got that you need 6.11 times 10 to the negative 2 moles of reaction that we need to combust to make this much heat. And moles of reaction, it means like 1 mole of this. And when we have 1 mole of this, that means we have 1 mole of ethanol. So this can be the same as 1 mole of ethanol. So the next step, see, I did this. So now the next step is to calculate the mass of the ethanol from moles. So how do you convert moles to mass? So we have the molar mass over here. Look at that. So I put it, this is the molar mass. 1 mole of ethanol is equal to 46.1 grams. So I multiply this, the moles cancel out, and we're left with 2.82 grams of ethanol. And the full number, this is with correct number of sig figs. The full number would be 2.819283 something. It doesn't really matter because that's not in your sig figs. And this also says use 3 sig figs. That's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.